In the realm of artificial intelligence, we've seen some pretty impressive stuff. Chatting with virtual assistants, having AI write songs, even generating realistic faces from names. But there's one area where AI has been a game changer for me and many others. Solving math problems. It's like having that smart friend who always aces the tests and makes math look easy. Except this time it's not a friend, it's an AI tool. And trust me, it's not one of those generic AI apps that gives you a number and leaves you wondering how they got there. No, this one breaks down the solution step by step. It's like having a personal math tutor in your pocket. Except this tutor is available 24/7, doesn't get annoyed when you ask questions, and can handle even the trickiest of math problems. I've used it to solve everything from basic arithmetic to complex equations, and it's been spot on every time. In a world where math can often feel like a daunting challenge, this AI tool is a breath of fresh air. Let's dive in and see how this AI tool simplifies complex math problems into easy-to-understand solutions. So here's how it works. Say you're stuck on a math problem, whether it's algebra, geometry, or anything in between. You can type in the question and watch as this AI tool breaks it down into simple steps. It's like having a math tutor right at your fingertips, explaining the solution as if you were a 5-year-old. But what really sets this AI tool apart is its ability to solve even the toughest math problems with ease. Whether it's fractions, decimals, or variables, this AI tool seems to know the exact steps to take to arrive at the correct answer. And the best part, it does all of this in real time. You don't have to wait around for an answer. This AI tool spits out solutions faster than you can say quadratic equation. But don't worry, if you're feeling a little rusty on your math skills, this AI tool has a trick up its sleeve. It can also explain the concepts behind the solutions. So you don't just get the answer, you learn something valuable along the way. It's like a mini math lesson tailored to your needs. And let's be honest, we've all been that student at some point. Right? So how good is this thing? Well, I put it to the test with some particularly nasty math problems, and let me tell you, it didn't disappoint. One of my favorite features of this AI tool is its ability to solve equations with variables. I mean, algebra can be a nightmare for many students, but this AI tool seems to glide through it with ease. It's like watching a math wizard in action, pulling the right variables out of thin air and solving for x like it's no big deal. It's incredible to see the precision and accuracy with which this AI tool handles these problems. There's no room for error in mathematics, and this tool delivers flawless solutions every single time. I was particularly impressed by its ability to handle fractions, decimals, and mixed numbers. These are areas where even the most confident math students can stumble, but this AI tool seems to have a sixth sense for dealing with them. It simplifies the fractions, decimals, and mixed numbers with such finesse, making what would be a tricky problem for many a walk in the park. Now, I'm not just sitting here admiring this AI tool from afar. Oh no, I'm diving right in and putting it to work. You might be wondering why someone would need help with basic arithmetic. Well, here's the thing. Basic arithmetic is the building block of more advanced math skills. If you're shaky on your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, it's going to make tackling more complex problems much harder. So this AI tool is helping me brush up on my basic arithmetic skills, so I can tackle those bigger, more challenging problems with confidence. It's like having a personal math coach, always ready to help me improve my skills and build a solid foundation for more advanced learning. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. With this AI tool by my side, I'm feeling more confident and prepared to tackle any math problem that comes my way. But that's not all. This AI tool isn't just about giving you answers. It's about teaching you how to think mathematically by breaking down problems into smaller parts and showing you exactly how to solve them. It's helping you develop critical thinking skills that you can use in everyday life. So whether you're a student struggling with homework or an adult trying to brush up on their math skills, this AI tool is the perfect companion. Now, let's talk about word problems. We've all been there, staring at a question that essentially reads like a cryptic message from an alien planet. This AI tool, however, seems to have a translator app built in. It takes these word problems, decodes them, and solves them with such ease. It's almost otherworldly. Let me give you an example. Recently, I came across this gem of a problem. A farmer has 120 meters of fencing to build 3 sides of a rectangular pen. What dimensions will maximize the area of the pen? Now, if that doesn't sound like a cryptic message, I don't know what does. But this AI tool read through it, understood the question, and solved it in a flash. It provided me with the optimal dimensions and even showed me the calculation steps. It's like having a personal assistant who speaks fluent English to math. But this tool is not just about translating words into numbers. It's about understanding the logic behind the problem and applying the right formula. In this case, the area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying its length and width. However, we have a constraint that the perimeter is 120 meters. This means the length and width have to satisfy this equation. 2 length plus 2 width equals 120. This is where this AI tool truly shines. It doesn't just plug numbers into a formula. It understands the relationship between the area and the perimeter, uses this knowledge to set up an equation, and then solves it to find the optimal solution. I found this tool to be exceptionally accurate. In all my tests, it provided correct answers with clear and concise explanations. It's like having a personal math tutor who's always available and never gets frustrated. But accuracy is just one part of the equation. What about speed? How quickly can this AI tool solve a math problem? The answer is incredibly fast. I timed it, and it can solve even complex problems within seconds. For instance, let's take this integral as an example. Most people would take a few minutes to solve this, but this AI tool does it in less than a second. And if that's not impressive, try this derivative. Again, this AI tool solves it faster than you can blink. Another feature of this AI tool that I found incredibly useful is its ability to show you the steps to solve a problem. This is particularly helpful for students who want to learn from their mistakes, or for anyone who wants to brush up on their math skills. When you're stuck on a problem, you can ask this AI tool to show you the steps, and it will break down the solution into small, easy-to-understand chunks. For instance, let's take this quadratic equation. You can ask this AI tool to solve for x, and it will show you the steps involved in using the quadratic formula. This not only helps you to understand how to solve the equation, but also reinforces your learning of the underlying mathematical principles. There's another aspect of this AI tool that's worth mentioning, and that's its user-friendliness. Whether you're using it on your phone or computer, it offers a seamless user experience. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to enter your math problems and receive instant solutions. Overall, this AI tool is an exceptional resource for anyone looking to conquer their math struggles. Its accuracy, speed, and ability to simplify complex problems make it a standout among other math-solving tools. So, next time you find yourself grappling with a math problem, don't despair. This AI tool is here to help. It's like having a personal math tutor in your pocket, guiding you towards the right answer with ease. Give it a shot and let this AI tool be your key to unlocking your math potential. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of AI. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit the like button below. Your support means the world to us. Let us know in the comments what AI topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of AI with our latest videos.